So I'm in Minnesota at the moment, and I'm here because of the Joyce Awards, and I'm really thrilled that myself and the Cedar Cultural Center won that award, and we're given the opportunity to create history and recording one of the first bilingual Somali-English children albums, and to be able to work with the children of the Cedar and in Minnesota in general.
What we're going to be doing in this workshop this week is we're going to be working with some text that is in Somali and in English, that is in a poem form. We're also going to be writing some of your own poetry, and we'll be doing that tomorrow. A lot of our work today is about building an ensemble together and being a cohesive group where everyone feels like they can take risks. It's very important that we're working together in a way where we're not making fun of one another, where we're supporting one another, and everyone feels like they can really rise to be the best that they can be in our environment that we create. We're not taking a script and going, okay, here's the beginning, the middle, and the end of the story. We're taking writing that you guys are going to do today, plus the poem that Professor Said Salah talked about yesterday, plus some movement, hopefully some percussion, and putting that all together, and that's going to be what it is that we're performing. What we're going to do is spend some time writing your own version of the I Am From poem. What are some elements you might want to incorporate from life? Like I said, expectations are high with this project. Hamdi, cartoon. Expectations are high with this project. Okay? So it's forcing us to think about performance in a new way. Yeah, where it's really about your voices and what's coming from your heart. So to work on that, through these two sections, section 3 and section 7, which will be more of the tableau movement, and we have Mr. Harbi who's here today to help us think about rhythm.
I play basketball. I go to South High School. I am from the love of my mother.
Here.
I see myself in the mirror every day and ask myself, where am I from? What am I to this world? How can I change it?
Oh, we gotta do our thing first here.
The actions first.
Yes.
Then our with the action.
And then?
We're doing the mother poem.
Who was born in Ethiopia, where you always feel the amazing rain.
I'm from the world of the hidden leaf, where in the morning eating anjera and sipping tea.
Sipping tea.
I am from origins where lands were peaceful before tragedy and confusion.
I am from a country where elected a president is so stupid that my little brother can make better decisions than him.
I am from where greedy politics rules and innocents die, and where killers swim in massive pools and children cry.
Children cry. I'm from a country where you dress for what you wear.
I am from where skin is same but different names.
What am I to this world and how could I change it?
What am I to this world and how can I change it?
I'm from the streets of Cedar.
I am from Kenya, where they speak Swahili.
My mom just wants to see me be the best girl.
I am from love that split.
I am a girl who doesn't remember her dad.
I am from a line of brothers who wants a sister to hug, but she is 6 feet under.
I'm from Zone 6, the hood I grew up in.
What am I to this world and how can I change it?
I'm from the screaming of my little brothers chasing each other around the whole world.
I am the beast of the court.
I am from Minnesota. I am from me.
I am from me. I wake up every morning smelling my mom's old famous maloh. I'm from a family that always fights but ends their day with happiness and joy.
I am from Cedar, where you can't tell the differences between the Cedar buildings.
Cedar
building, tell the difference.
I am from the love of my mother.
I'm from the roar of the crowd as I make the game-winning shot.
Whoa! Swish! What am I to this world and how can I change it?
Somalis in general were really good storytellers. We used to be an oral society. Theater was important. So if it can inspire and ignite new cultural or artistic expressions, it would be really a successful venture.
I did it yesterday.
It will be historic because not many music or songs for that particular group exist. So if we can make that happen, which we are on track to make it happen, then that would be really, really something to be proud of.
Good. Can you do one more time?
On the day I was born, people had been fasting for 19 hours.
Is that good? That sounds
Yeah, you made all those lyrics, not me.
We made together.
I want to have
These doors and these walls help keep the sound in here, but since this is like more people than we usually have in here, when you guys are all chattering, it's a little bit loud, so we got to try to be quiet.
Can I just get everyone that's on the Longer I Am from October upstairs, please?
We're supposed to go upstairs.
Yes.
Okay, let's go. Hamdi's not here too.
5,
That's okay.
Did she do it yesterday?
7,
She's coming.
7.
Sipping tea, and then we'll just go down the list and just knock them all out. Right now they're setting up, but let's just practice just so that when they're set up, we'll be ready to go.
Okay.
So 3, 2, 1.
Sipping tea.
3 times.
3 times?
Yeah, let's just do it 3 times. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
Sipping tea.
When there's 2 Zachs, you're ting ting. Zach. Okay.
I feel like if it feels good enough for me to keep the second verse, then I'll keep it. But if it doesn't, then I'll just erase that. Then we'll take verse 3.
So you have 4 verses.
Yep.
Yeah.
So you did 2 more yesterday.
Yeah.
Do any of them overlap?
Once you get to it.
Because we can refine it, you know?
So I took my sins and ripped them apart. It was like similar to I ripped my sins all about and take my deeds and shout them out.
I'm gonna go through saying the first word 3 times. If you want, you can push the computer back so that it's closer to you. Can you see from there, Misky?
On the day I was born, it was a harsh winter day and a cold night.
I am the beast of the court. I am from Cedar, where you can't tell the difference between the Cedar buildings.
I am from a country where you judge for what you wear. I am from a family that always fights but ends their day with happiness and joy.
All right, good job.
All right.
Come on up.
They're the people that wrote that, so they're gonna be like the main vocal, but then I wanna stack the vocal and have like as many people as we can layered on top of that. So whoever's interested in singing on that, I think it would be nice to have, yep. At least, cool.
Can I do it so nobody can hear everything?
No, we want to hear.
When you're recording, we'll make a beat around it.
Yeah.
Let me use her beat.
Wait a minute, so you were just singing it?
Sing it.
But it sounds like poetry. It sounds like poetry.
Yeah. You
Yeah, let's go upstairs and work on it. Let's go.
Welcome to see the riverside where the pigeons fly. And the buildings are so high, and we can't even see the sky. Welcome to see the riverside where the pigeons fly. And the buildings are so high, we can't even see the sky.
It sounded good. Let's do it again.
I am is finished.
It's finished?
When you see some of those young children, the way they enjoy themselves creatively or create some work while you're there with them and give them that confidence, it can only be a positive thing. I am very lucky also to be working with another mentor of mine, Professor Said Salah, who is also a giant of Somali music and Somali writing. And for him to be in Minnesota and to be involved in this work is also really something. It's another opportunity and a really good chance too.
But I'm sure I ain't running. I lived my life to this day, and I hope my Lord could hear me pray. 'Cause I am precious, I am old, I rise up, sing,
What we want to do is we're making a booklet, so each song might have like a little picture or something. We're still working on these songs, so they're not finished yet. But just to give you an idea we're going to play some of the songs for you so you can get an idea of what it's about. Okay? So this one is Zach, and it's called Glitter and Gold.
I am bold, I rise up, ting, ting, glitter and gold. I have power in my soul, I rise up, ting, ting, glitter and gold. Mama told me life was hard, so took my fears and ripped them apart. I swallowed my pride and walked my path, wishing for that soothed my wrath. Mama, don't worry, I won't be a thug, so your last favorite be your only hug.
Song, if there's some art principles or elements that you think would work well with what you just heard.
I might have messed up. How did you mess up? What? I used too much of this one.
You only live once.
Yep.
All right, everybody's gonna be looking at you. So you want to represent yourself as powerful as possible. You know what I'm saying? So add a little extra sauce on it. Right? You got you and you got performance you. Performance you is a little more saucy than regular you. You know what I mean? Think about it like that. Add a little sauce on it. I see everybody flipping it, but I can't hear nobody. I can tell the ladies have done it before because I can hear them a little bit. I don't know how you can give me a little more. Fellas over here, I need to hear y'all. Hey! Come on, ball players. So if you're taking yourself seriously, it's only going to lead to bigger and better opportunities. Do the whole song too, not just one time. My man, you're trying to win. You gotta step, everything. Now they're using their voices. There's some. Now we get you all have this. You know what I'm saying? So when y'all are I know you got more than that, so y'all kind of screwed yourself now. Because I know what you had. So you can't bring less than that now. Because if you're bringing less than that, that's standard now. Y'all just made a new standard. So good job. That sounded good. That's what it's supposed to sound like.
Hey bro, I'm not putting that on sale. Okay.
Let me get everybody's attention real fast. I don't want to talk too
You
loud.
should say it louder because
I just need y'all's attention. I don't need everybody else's. So we're about to go on stage, right? Not right now, but it's taking y'all a while just for me to talk to you, so it's gonna take you longer to get on stage. Let's zone in. Let's zone in. I use this so I can.
So we're gonna have a fashion show from the Sisterhood Boutique.
So my name is Hafsal, and I'm the author of this book called It Only Takes One Yes. I wish I was the queen of the jungle. I just have to grow a little more. I wish I had a great big teeth and a very scary roar. What her mom tells her is she is already the queen of the jungle. So if you want to be the next author, the next state representative, the next Aar Maanta, you can start that today. That you don't have to wait. You can start working towards that journey today.
Okay, my next question is, when are you gonna move to Minnesota, Aar Maanta? I mean, we need help with shoveling. Does anybody remember this winter? I mean...
If the snow wasn't so scary, I would have moved here a long time ago. That's the only thing. We're gonna have, we'll be able to do 2 songs with the children that are with us tonight. And this, I think most of them, this is the first time they'll be actually on stage.
Ubadkaa Mudnaanta, muuqaalka quruxda, magolkii caleenta,